Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here again in school. I just dropped the kids. And I go direct to the mall. Need to buy what I need for my meal today. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello, I like the lampshade here. Look like coupon. I need to go to the mall. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Today is 20. See, the sun is very hot. Already. Very hot. The sun is so hot already. I'll go to the WTC Mall. Lolo. Need to buy what I need to cook today. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion. Plus don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Happy Tuesday everyone. Enjoy your day. Bye.